Hey everyone, welcome to Fix It Flow. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use WeTransfer to send files quickly and easily. Before we start, I'm on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if this video helps you out, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Let's get into it. Go to the WeTransfer website, open your browser, and head over to WeTransfer.com. You can also search WeTransfer on Google, and it'll be the first result. Prepare your files. I recommend compressing your files into a zip folder first. This keeps the file size smaller and makes everything easier to send. To do this, just select the files, right-click, and choose Compress to Zip File. Upload your files. On the WeTransfer website, you can either drag your zip file directly into the window or click Upload Files and select it manually. Fill in the details. Enter the recipient's email address. Add your own email so they know who sent it. Optionally, you can include a title or a short message. Transfer the files. Click Transfer to start uploading. You may need to verify your email by entering a code that WeTransfer sends you. Recipient downloads. Once the upload finishes, the recipient will get an email with a download link. They can just click Get Your Files and download everything to their computer. And that's it. You've successfully sent files using WeTransfer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.